Hello, welcome to another unboxing. This time it's the Nokia 8110 4G phone, and the reason I'm going for a cheap phone because I don't know much about phones. This is just to have in my car in case I break down. So I guess I must be quite unusual in this day and age. I'm not really much of a phone user. I'm always on my computer when I'm at home, but when I'm out I like to be disconnected from everything and just enjoy whatever that day brings. So I did have this one, which is actually a really nice phone, lovely phone actually, but I'd left it for a few months. I'm on a a pay-as-you-go, and this one was on the O2 network, and I hadn't used the phone for a few months, and now it comes up that probably will come up now any second. Yeah, can't register SIM. So if you don't use the phone within, I think it's 90 days or something, you lose, and that had £30 on it, so I've lost that. Note to self. I'd gone on Facebook on this and I thought that was good enough, but it looks like you actually have to make calls. So, and I didn't realise this was a 2G phone. I don't really know much about phones at all. But I bought a new card on the 3 network. This is another one with £30 on it, bought off Amazon. And it doesn't work with this, because I didn't realise that this 3 network only works with 4G or 3G and 4G or 5G, or how many Gs there are, but it doesn't work with 2G anyway. So I had the option whether to think, oh, I've just wasted 30 quid on a SIM, or buy a phone. So I've bought another phone. So I've ended up with this one. I still haven't made it to a smartphone yet, but I'm gradually working my way there. So let's see what this little budget phone has to offer. And I hope that it will register fairly quickly as well, because I've done all you have to send an email and they credit it. So I did that a few days ago, so I'm hoping that's still all right. So let's have a look, see what's in the box. There we go. Okay, so this was about, I think it's about £35. And it's a SIM-free phone, I think. I might make loads of mistakes if I go on talking about phones too much, because I really do not know anything about phones. Other than you can make a phone call on them. And in this day and age, it's getting harder and harder to survive without a smartphone. Because time and time again now, I want to go to something like the Comic-Con, and I'll find out that you can only get a barcode sent to your phone, and they don't actually do tickets anymore, which is really annoying. Okay, so this is good. So you get a charger with it. It's more an unusual squat sort of charger, but there we are. Fantastic. And headphones. Yeah, headphones with it as well. It's amazing how they can make something with a battery and a charger and everything so cheaply. Well, we know the answer. It's probably made in China, isn't it? Now, I think this is a little bit like the Matrix phone, other than it doesn't have a spring action, unfortunately, like the other one. So you actually have to pull the thing down. So I don't know how long that is going to last, but I thought being in the car, that just might help protect things a bit. So, okay, let's take that off. So let's go ahead and, oh hang on, there's some more stuff on here. Any more? That's it. It's really nice. I thought I'd go for the banana colour, but it's a sort of a banana-y shape, isn't it? So rather than go for, I usually like black, but I thought this would be a bit more fun, wouldn't it? Right then, how do you take this off? Here, I think. Can I get it off with just my thumb? Goodness. Ah, there we go. Right, so where do we put this SIM in? Here, I guess. Now I thought it said it took a micro SIM, but that doesn't look like a micro, or is it? You're going to have to excuse me fumbling around because let's just see. No, I guess it does fit in the smaller one. Now you can just break this one out here like so. Now which way? This way? I guess it must be with that thing down, but which way round? Haven't got a clue. So I wonder if it'll only let me put it in one way. Let's find out. Well, seems to have gone in, but not right the way. So let's try. Ooh, it's a bit fiddly. That way, maybe. Ah, right, that goes in better. So it's the corner cut off to the left hand side. And what's this here? There's another little cover. Don't know what that is. Some little cover there for something. Now, is there any juice in the battery? And will it fire up? Or have I just made another massive mistake? It's quite a big battery. Feels quite heavy. It's 1,500 milliamp hours at 6 volts. That's not bad. Okay, so that's in. Let's put that cover back on. Let's see what happens. Do we have enough power? Oh, and where does the memory card go? That's another thing. Is that on? Well, it's coming to life. Let's see what happens. Let's see if I get my credit come up or if anything happens at all. I hope this works. Or does that be another waste of money, or I'll have to buy another damn card? Okay. Still thinking about it. Oh, that lights up. That's nice, isn't it? That'd be nice and easy to use in the dark. I know you can make that out, but it is lit up. Okay, what's going on there? English. Ah, there we go. So it's registered 4G. I've got a signal, and I don't know what to do other than that. Oh dear. Yeah, if you're after an instructional video about what to do, this is not the video. Right, at the moment, I am trying to work out how to put in the memory card. Don't know what that is. So this one, my memory card is just down here. There it is. Right, so if I'd have just taken time to actually read what it says here, they both go in the same bit. So the SIM goes underneath, and this micro card, I think, just slots in above it by the look of things. So let's try that. Well, I guess that's where it goes. Let's try that now, see what happens. And let's put the back on as well. Ah. Takes a little while to start up. It's slower than my other phone. God, let me know. It's a lot slower than the other one. Takes a long time to get going. Anyway, so I'm now on the 4G network with a 3 SIM, and I feel modern. Okay. So let's see if shortcuts takes me to SD card detected. And there we go. Calculator, airplane, flashlight. Oh, it's quite bright. Cellular data. Okay, well that's that in that page there, so that's back. So how do I... contacts. Memory card. Could not import contacts from memory card. Oh, well that's... Oh dear. Oh no, that means I'm going to put all the damn phone numbers in again. No, it's not having that. Right, well I'm sort of getting lost now with all these things to do. So unfortunately by the look of things I can't put my old card in out of another Nokia phone and hope that it had all the phone numbers still on it, unless I put the card in the wrong way round or something. Well anyway, that's a quick look at my new phone. It looks like it's a lot tougher to use than this one. This was so easy. Just made sense. I thought this would be exactly the same. Well, I'll have a further play around with it, but for now anyway, that's the Nokia. What is it? 2-megapixel camera. Oh, it's got Snake, whatever the hell that is. FM radio. Micro SD card supports up to 32 gigs, and that's what I've got in there, so it's not too big. But I mean, you get quite a lot, don't you, for the money. I just hope I'm going to be able to make a phone call on it. Anyway, for now, that was just a quick look at the new phone. And thanks for watching. See you again next time.